Did you know that every dollar spent on influencer marketing can generate up to $20 of profit? That's a 20 times return on investment. This can make anyone wonder how to actually do it. So that's why I'm here to walk you through crafting an influencer marketing strategy. First step, find a suitable influencer. You have to check, does the product you're selling match what the influencer's audience is interested in? Is the influencer's reach in the same place as your target audience? If you're trying to reach teens, for instance, a LinkedIn influencer probably isn't the best way to go. Does the influencer's demographic match the buyer persona you're trying to appeal to? And finally, is the influencer well-liked on the whole? Remember, they'll be associated with your brand. For example, if you're a skincare specialist, you probably don't want someone controversial or edgy. Second step, connect with the influencer. You can begin the conversation via DM. Otherwise, look out for the influencer's business inquiries contact information. When you're starting outreach, try to take advantage of any mutual contacts that you might have for an introduction, but always be professional and honest with what you're looking for. A few things to keep in mind when you begin to reach out to influencers. State your goal clearly. Let them know at the outset what outcome you're hoping for. Show them visual examples of other campaigns that you like to give them a showcase of what you're looking for. Keep the numbers simple and avoid overwhelming them with too much data. Provide only the essential details relevant to your campaign. Be clear on the responsibilities of who you partner with. Are they just creating the content or sharing it? Finally, give creative liberty. You want to brief them on your goals and intentions, but allow them the space to pitch ideas that work for their own brand. The more authentic the content is to the influencer, the more engaged their audience will be. Third step, agreement or contract. When the time finally comes to drop an agreement, be sure to cover all your bases. This includes things like the extent of the partnership, methods of compensation, the type and amount of content included, promotional requirements, approval process, content copyright, and sunset clauses, which means how long the sponsored content should stay live on their page. If you're wondering where to find a suitable template for contracts, consider using Venngage. It provides a variety of templates for contracts or any design templates that you're looking for. These templates are designed by professionals and are super easy to customize using the online template editor. Next, let's talk about some of the best practices when you partner with an influencer. The best tip is to partner with influencers that support your brand's message, your company's culture, and your personal morale and ethical standards. Do thorough research on the influencer's brand, previous partnerships, and reputation before signing any contracts. And to that last point, you should always have contracts. Always make sure everything is in writing with responsibilities and expectations spelled out clearly. Point out the value you can provide to the influencer to show them why the partnership would be mutually beneficial, like cross-posting with your brand's social accounts, which will lead to new followers for their accounts as well. You should also be interacting with their content organically through social media, and not just the stuff that you're tagged in. Authenticity goes a long way for both your partnership and the relationship with the audience. And that's a wrap for today's quick guide. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.